Hello friends, welcome to Design Tech Academy. My name is Kuldeep Sharma and today I'm going to tell you about macro. Macro. Macro is a set of instructions that can work automatically to perform many number of operations at a one time or a one single press. It have five options. First one is play macro. It works when you have already saved macro and you can run that macro. The format of macro files is .swp and .sub in SolidWorks. Stop macro and record macro. Record macro work when you are recording any program by SolidWorks, and at the time of working recording you can stop that macro to save. And new macro options allow you to create your macro by the basic editor mode. In this options you can edit your macro program, and edit macro also allow you to record your macro and edit your macro by your own programming or your own language. Now from where I can get these options, you can easily get these options from tools. Here is the macro, and these are the options at here. And if you have any file, then by press right click, then here it macro. This is the macro toolbar which have play option, stop, record, new, and edit macro. When you open this macro toolbar, you can set it as per your need. First one is run macro. If you have already any macro program, you can run by the this option. And I have one macro program in which I made a simple rectangular strip or open file, then browse file. I have this file on desktop. This is a macro one .swp. I open this file and you can get it, make a rectangular plate. But now how to save your own macro and edit macro. Now I close this, go on top, and first is record macro. Now recording of macro has been started. So take your plan, make some design which you want to save for the macro. Now it's starting. Stop it. Now it is required a path for save this. I am saving this file on desktop as my macro 2. Save. Now close it. You can check it by run macro. Macro 2 open. This is your file which you made by the macro 5mm thick, and '50 and 50 dimension. It's also 50. That's mean record and stop work as like this. Now edit macro and new macro. If you want to make your own macro, then create new macro. Give the name of file. I want to check the name of saved file. which is part 5. For the some programs you can go on my blog, which is designtechacademy.blogspot.in. Program at here. I just copy for the paste. I just delete it, and this is my program. Now you can run this program from here, or just make it to save it or close. You can run macro from here. This is the name of file dot swp. Open this, and it's showing the name of this part file. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel for the